How to send messages on Viber. Welcome back to a new guide video, everyone. If you're new to using Viber and want to chat with other people using the platform of Viber, in this video let me show you how it is done. Now once you open up the app of Viber and land on the chat section, in order to start chatting with people, you can tap on this icon on the bottom right and then just select the person that you're trying to chat. From all of this list that are stored on your contact, you can select a particular person and then the chat will open up. To this section, you can send in text messages, emojis, or even pictures or videos that are stored on your phone. If you want, you can also tap on this mic icon on the right hand side and start a audio chat. If you tap on this plus icon on the left hand side, it's going to open up a few other options such as gallery, camera, etc. You can take a look at all of these options and start chatting on this platform. So that's the way that you send messages on Viber. Be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell if you guys are interested in more future videos.